Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning into today's video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you are not, welcome back sis. I'm so happy to have you for today's video. So you guys know that I'm trying to integrate new video concepts into my channel, and so for today's video I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag YouTube video. But you know, I decided that I'm not really a bag person. Like, I don't really carry a handbag unless I'm going out, unless I'm going on a date, to the club, you know, an event. But just in everyday life, I am a fanny pack girl, okay? I don't know if any of you guys love fanny packs, but I love being hands-free. I don't know, something about just being hands-free, but having all your things on your body still is like right up my alley. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what's in my fanny pack. And I've actually had this fanny pack for a while now. I bought it off of Amazon for about $12, and look y'all, it's pretty big. Like, it's almost the size of my head, or basically the size of my head. It holds so much stuff. So it has this mini pocket in the front, but then these two pockets fit so many things, you guys, like so many things. I brought this fanny pack to Turks and Caicos with me, Jamaica. It's perfect for trips. I love the gold accents, so it gives you like a little bit of style with your outfit. You know, it's not just like black and plain. It has somewhat of a little bit of pizzazz. You know, I know there's a lot more fancier fanny packs with all different types of designs. And there's like Coach fanny packs, Gucci fanny packs, but for my everyday wear, this is it for me, okay? So I'm gonna crack this thing open. I actually really don't know what's in here. I'm always like, why is this fanny pack so big? I'm like, what is in this thing? Because you know, it's so small but like so big at the same time. But I'm like, why can't I ever fit anything in here? Because it's always filled to the brim with stuff. So let's crack it open and see what I have inside, okay? So I'm gonna start with this small pocket in the front. And I think it might just be some coins in here, honestly. I think it just might be change. Yep, just some coins, some money in the front little pocket. Like, you can't fit much in there, but you can fit some stuff. Like, you can fit like, what, a pack of gummies? You know, if you get hungry and you need a snack later, you know what I'm saying? You can fit like something in there. Or you can fit like lipstick, mascara, anything in this small front pocket. So in the second pocket, alright, so, ooh, okay, it's gonna be a little TMI video. So in the front pocket, I have my birth control pack. I carry this with me anywhere I go just because I never know if I'm gonna be around my pill when I need to take it at the right time, you know? So I just always keep it in my fanny pack. I always keep it on me, you know, anywhere I'm going, grocery store, to a birthday party, it don't matter. I got my birth control on me. I don't know. Because, you know, when you're 24 and you having the time of your life, you don't know if you're going to make it home every night, okay? And you gotta make sure you ain't trying to have nobody kids, okay? I ain't trying to have nobody babies. I don't want babies until I'm in my 30s. So I keep that thing on me. Alright, next in this pocket is a portable charger. 52% left. So yeah, you never know when your battery gonna run out and you need that extra battery pack to charge your phone, okay? You don't want to be stranded, especially as a young woman. You do not want to be stranded somewhere, phone dead, can't find directions to your destination. Like, it's just not a good look, okay? You know, I hate being in scary situations or situations that could have been avoided. So I'm gonna have that extra battery pack on me, and I need to make sure this is at 100%. It's at 52, but I'm gonna go charge it right after this video. All right, next up, next we have eye drops. Okay, so clear eyes. I think y'all know what this is for. I think y'all know what that's for. On a good night out, baby, you don't even trying to make it home, get them eye drops now. Eye drops, okay? Next, so I also have a pen in that front pocket, and it's a glittery pen. The story behind this is my sister and my niece went to New York and they brought me back a little pen. So yeah, thank you Nyla and Janelle for my cute little rose gold glitter pen. I would definitely use it. This will definitely come in handy. I actually have never been to New York, y'all, like, which is so crazy. I've never been up north and I've never been west. I've only been in the south. Like, I've been to Florida, I've been to Tennessee, of course I live in Georgia. I've been to, is that it? Is that it? I've been to, that might be it. Yeah, I've been to Tennessee and Florida and Georgia, and that's really it. Like, I've been to Jamaica, Turks and Caicos, Antigua, Cuba, you know, but in the States, I haven't really gone very far. And, you know, that's actually a really big goal of mine. Like, I want to go to Chicago. Of course, I want to go to New York. I want to go to LA, the basics. But, like, also I want to go to Colorado. I want to go to Houston. I want to go to New Orleans. So, traveling within the States is something that I really want to do. I think we are like, oh, let's go out of the country, like, woo, 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 woo. But also, there's a lot of beauty right here in the States. And just learning about, you know, the different regions that our ancestors grew up in. You know, our ancestors grew here as well, like not just in Africa and in the Caribbean islands, but also I have ancestors from here as well. And so yeah, I just think the US also has something to offer, you know what I'm saying? I think, like, traveling within the 50 states, you can still see a whole lot of beauty and things that we might classify as, like, exotic, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so that is all that's in the front pocket. Now we're going to dig into the big pocket, and this is where I hold most of my things, like my money, my wallet, all of that stuff. So I've got my car keys, of course. On my car keys, I keep a lanyard that I made. I made this in quarantine, actually, because, you know, when you just are in your room for days and you have nothing to do and you just want to fiddle your fingers, make some lanyards. And I hadn't made lanyards since, like, elementary school. I'm telling you, quarantine time had us down bad, y'all. Like, we going back to, like, shit we did in elementary school. So crazy. But yeah, tap back into them long lost hobbies during quarantine. I also have to rip Jamaica, you know what I'm saying? I got my little I don't even know what this is called, but it said Jamaica on it, but it kind of rubbed away. But yeah, and I got another little Jamaica thing, and then, you know, just keys, car keys, house keys, my gym thingy. Ooh. So I have some Lion Pride rolling papers. So I have some Lion Pride rolling papers. I actually got these in Jamaica. Genuine pure gum. Okay. Genuine Ethiopian pure gum. All right. So yeah. I keep these on me too, because you never know when somebody stress you out and you just need a, you know what I'm saying, roll up, you know what I'm saying? You never know. You never know. And you don't want to be the one lacking. Like, if everybody else around you getting lit and you just there like, you gotta roll up, you gotta roll up. Like, no. I'm not doing it. I like to be prepared. And I don't want to be, I like to be prepared, and I don't like to ask people for stuff. So I'm gonna bring my own rolling papers, okay? Next up is my wallet. I actually hate this wallet. It's just so kitty and, like, so baby to me. Like, I really just want me, like, a really nice YSL wallet or a MK wallet or a Coach wallet or something. This is just not giving, okay? It's not giving. And I want to keep my money in a luxurious space, okay? So that I can bring more luxury into my life, okay? All right, so I also have Vaseline, and this is the Cocoa Butter Healing Jelly Vaseline. Now, I actually used to be super obsessed with Vaseline. In high school, I used to carry around the big jar in my backpack. Literally carry that shit around in my backpack because I would not be caught lacking. And if I accidentally left my Vaseline at home, my whole day would just be off. I would feel crusty, like my lips would just feel so crusty and dry. And, like, the crazy part is, everyone at school knew that Ariel had a large jar of Vaseline. So if anyone's lips was ashy or dry, they'd be like, can I use your Vaseline? Can I use your Vaseline? Can I use your Vaseline? Which, now that I think about it, is super unsanitary. Especially post-pandemic, it got us thinking about, like, all the different things we used to do that might not have been the safest, like blowing the candles out on a cake and, like, you know, blowing all over a whole entire cake that everyone in the room is gonna you know, just like little things that you now think about that are like, that might not have been the safest decision. But then again, we didn't have deadly, life-threatening viruses just, you know, lingering around like that. So yeah. But yeah, I keep that thing on me. I cannot, crusty lips, I don't like to see it on other people. So I'm definitely not gonna have it on myself, okay? Next up is hoop earrings. I probably got tired of wearing them and just throw them in my fanny pack. Like my ears probably just got like irritated, because I usually keep these like with the rest of my jewelry, but they're in here today. Next, this is a receipt. Let's see, what is this? Oh, JJ's Fish and Chicken, Metropolitan Parkway in Atlanta, Georgia. Shout out to JJ's, first of all. I know all my Atlanta folk watching. If you don't know, if you're from Atlanta and you don't know what JJ's is, baby, Google it and go today, okay? JJ's, I got a small shrimp dinner and a large chicken dinner. That was for me and my boo. You know, he was like, is you hungry? Zeddy, you know I'm hungry. And you know what I want. So yeah, we got some JJ's. Next in my fanny pack is this resistant band. So you guys know I have been in the gym. I go at least 4 days a week, and so, you know, I keep that thing on me. And you guys can see this is the extra heavy band. So y'all, I do not play about fitness. I love going to the gym. I love making my body sweat. I love seeing my muscles grow. I love making my muscles contract, all that good stuff. So yeah, I just love being fit. And you never know, you just never know. I'm the person who goes the extra mile. So like, if there's an elevator, if there's stairs in the elevator, I'm gonna be the person who takes the stairs. You know, if there's the difference between like going uphill or downhill, I'm gonna choose uphill. Like, I don't know, something about me, I'm just gonna push my body to go that extra mile and get that extra bit of exercise, because I see it reflect. Like when I look in the mirror and I look at myself naked or just in my bra and panties, like I see the growth, I see the muscle. And like, you know, just coming out of the pandemic, I felt so weak and brittle. Like if I didn't eat, I literally felt like I would just, you know, just fall out. So I got back in the gym and really built up some stamina, built up some strength, and y'all, I feel amazing. And exercise really does change so much your outlook. When they say mind, body, and soul, it's one thing to get your soul and your mind right, but when you get that body element right, it's like you just take off and like you just level up. I'm telling you, like it really matters. Get out and move your body, please. All right, I'm done preaching. Next, I have a United Clean Plus sanitizing wipe. I am a germaphobe. Actually, which I might as well just bring out my hand sanitizer too, because I have sanitizer in my fanny pack as well. I keep it on me, okay? You know, during a pandemic, I'm a germaphobe. I get it from my mom. She has taught me to just be super conscious and be super conscious and be super aware of what you touch, putting your hands on your face, eating before at least sanitizing. You know, washing your hands is the best option always, but if you can't get to it and you have to, literally, you have to sanitize. Like, have to, okay? A necessity. This is just as important as the Vaseline. Like, if I leave the house and I do not have ways to clean my hands, I do not feel right. I feel disgusting. I feel gross. I feel like I'm a walking germ, which essentially you are. So, yeah. So the last thing in my fanny pack is lotion. So this is vanilla sugar scented body lotion, and if you know black women, you know every black woman got lotion in her bag, okay? I actually went to an event one time and this random like black man came up to me. He was like, do you have lotion? He's like, I know every black lady got lotion in her bag. And I was like, you're right, here you go, sir. We can't be ashy. Winter is coming. It's getting cooler outside, and we got to make sure we keep our skin moisturized and help out the community around us, okay? The young men and women with the ashy hands, all right? So yeah, that was a super quick, cute little video. I'm about to pack everything back into my fanny pack because I'm about to go thrifting and get some fall clothes, like just fall basics. You know, I feel like I can thrift fall basics. So thank you guys for tuning into this what's in my bag video. I hope you guys enjoyed just seeing, you know, what I carry on me every day. It could be super similar to you. And usually I do have a bit more beauty products in here, but really on my everyday I just be natural and like regular. I need to do a what's in my bag, like, you know, going out or like popping out edition, just so you guys can see like all the beauty products that I do carry with me. But yeah, this is just my everyday fanny pack. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.